This is a series of a few videos about my attempt to build the world's best sliding table attachment in the DIY world to any table saw. This is part 3 and sorry that it took so long, but my sweetheart convinced me that I had some projects outside the workshop too. For example, mounting images with a mat only, as you can see here. And we mounted curtains and things like that, and yeah, it took me a while. But without further ado, let's jump right into it. Today's video is about the frame on which the sled will be running later on. In order to position the frame in the correct height, we need stop blocks, 2 of them, and they have to be rock solid because, as mentioned in my first video, I need to remove the frame and mount it again in order to save space in my small workshop, and the 2 stop blocks, they have to deal with it. But this looks good, so let's assemble the frame. We could use these, like this, would be a possibility. Okay. Another option would be to use some of these. Honestly, looks like slightly oversized. These are fine. That's the plan. What do we have here? Plus 766. Okay, let's get this marked. Yeah. Oh shit, okay. Is this the middle? Seems to. Okay. Okay. Oh shit. We get this done. I've chosen to use the most affordable type of fasteners or connectors as described in my second video. But there's a different kind of price to pay. I have to drill several holes. Okay. Now, since we drilled this hole inside here, we can reach the head of the screw. That's okay, that works. And now we could attach this beam here to that beam. Okay, great. Okay, that wasn't such a big deal. I have 8 holes now and the 2 long beams, but there's still some work to do. I have to tap the holes of the counterpart, as you can see in the following images. If you happen to be not familiar with tapping holes, don't mind. Just get yourself such a manual tapping device. It's a few bucks and you're ready to go. I can assure you I'm not an expert also, and it's not a big deal. one. Yeah, there we are. The frame is almost assembled. The 4 corner brackets are missing. That's not a big deal, I can add them later. But the frame is fitting perfectly into the floor unit, and that's what I wanted to achieve, and I'm happy with the result. Adding the IGUS Drylin rail, and I'm basically done. It's working as designed. And this is concluding this 3rd episode, or this 3rd chapter of this series of videos. And the next video I will take a huge step. I will build this sled, and yeah, the sled has to be attached to the frame in a very convenient, in a very fast but also very precise way. I think I figured out some solution, and I will present it to you in the next chapter. So if you like, tune in, and yeah, hope to see you soon, and have a nice day. Bye.